Design's Amanda Neeley from the Monroeville area. I chose Pittsburgh's Best because they just had the full package. So from beginning to end with the design, also they had project management, which I am a project manager, so in a completely different field, but I really appreciated the fact that they took care of all of those pieces. So the designer, Missy, was absolutely wonderful. From the very first day, I think she asked me, all right, what do you want? And she really listened to that, but at the same time offered her ideas, but didn't force anything. So it was really fantastic. I ended up getting a lot of the things that I didn't even really know that I wanted, and she found a way to fit them in. She came here initially, and then I went to the showroom, was able to pick out some different ideas, and then she actually brought those samples back into the space to make sure that the selections that I made in the showroom were going to work out in the actual space that we're in. So that was really nice. So I met Casey while I was picking out selections in the showroom, and it was just really nice that the owner of the company would, I guess, bother with each individual person that they're doing work for, but he definitely wanted to make sure that I was going to love my selections and not just, I kept saying, oh, I like this, I like that, but he kept saying, but do you love it? One of the main carpenters, Nick, he did the cabinets and the beautiful crown molding, and the attention to detail is just, it far exceeded my expectations. I don't know what I was expecting to be above the cabinets, but this is way beyond what I thought I was going to be getting, so very, very happy with it. I wanted the flooring to run in a certain direction, both in the kitchen and then in the hallway, and they really made that work seamlessly, and it looks really beautiful. The other thing that was kind of my favorite is just the end results and just the respect that every single person that came in the house had for the space and for me was really, really nice.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.